Baltic Codice Fiscale to Embark 1129. As you know, Europe is really having a huge success in merchant marine. All these politicians are rowing so that we get 4 million jobs plus 40 indirect. We are very proud of them. That's why we pay them so much money, and that's why we need this today, the Baltic Codice Fiscale. Those of you that have been on board Italian flag, you have this certificate which is required, mandatory to be employed on board Italian flag ships. Candina is growing very much this Ro-Ro pool, 22 full ships, Italian flag, trade from West Italy to East Spain, Mediterranean, 37,000 tons to 67,000 tons. You know the wages, I mentioned many videos about that, but if you do have this Codice Fiscale and you are from the Baltic countries, apply urgently because the conditions will improve. And we have this family company. Now we want you to join Candina family to apply crew inspector, because if you are flag of convenience, cruise ships, fishing, far away, other type of ships, but you want to be joining in the west of Italy, trade to the east of Spain, Mediterranean trade, very good food and atmosphere, Italian, excellent professionals. Grazie, apply. English is not required. Like and subscribe and pass throughout the social media groups. Thank you for your time.